Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring and placing the syrup where you can work quickly. Use 1-2 tablespoons per cup to taste and pour the syrup into the bottom of the cup so it doesn't instantly dilute. Once done, warm the syrup briefly if it's very viscous. This helps it blend smoothly. Make sure to hold back a little syrup for finishing. This quick start locks flavor into the base instead of washing it away with liquid. Next, you focus on emulsifying flavor and controlling texture. Add a small portion of your beverage, about 1-2 tablespoons, then whisk vigorously for 10-15 seconds to create a smooth emulsion. This prevents streaks. If you want thinner consistency, add more milk. If richer, add syrup incrementally. Once the base is smooth, pour the rest of the beverage slowly while stirring to maintain uniformity. Make sure to taste and adjust sweetness and viscosity before moving to garnish. Finally, you complete presentation and perform a quick quality check. Drizzle a reserved teaspoon in a decorative pattern, or add cocoa dust and whipped cream for contrast. Once poured, taste to confirm balance and adjust with a splash more milk or a drop more syrup. If mixing failed earlier, warm the syrup for 5-10 seconds or dissolve a spoonful in a small warm liquid to make a slurry before retrying. Make sure to wipe the bottle neck after use to avoid clogging and contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.